Succeeding online should not be that difficult. If you're looking for the best way to increase sales dramatically in your business, we have you covered. We provide entrepreneurs with an unfair advantage over other online marketers. The best way to increase leads and sales is by offering excellent incentives. These incentives can be used for any business you promote. And the best part is, there are no monthly fees to give away these incentives. Here are some of the amazing bonuses you receive with our program. With our program, you receive unlimited business leads for life. Call, text or email your leads about your business and you'll be rewarded with more leads just for doing this. You will also have the ability to give away vacation getaways to your leads and signups just for taking a look at your opportunity. We have over 60,000 locations to choose from. And to make it even better, we also have insane blowout discounts on flights. But that's not all. Give away $1,000 in restaurant savings to your favorite restaurants and $1,000 in grocery savings to your favorite stores. Our members will also have the ability to give away free medical discount cards that can save you up to 70% off of your prescription medications. You will also have access to discounts on cruises, car rentals, sporting events and so much more. Use these incentives to increase leads and sales in any business you promote. Feel free to use these benefits for yourself. This is a proven way to dramatically increase sales. If you are struggling to get consistent signups in your business, then this is a proven strategy that works. Revolutionize your online income by offering these amazing benefits so that you can enjoy your time with family and friends. Gain the financial freedom you rightfully deserve. Once you're a member with us, there is absolutely no fee to pay in order to give away these incentives for your business. And this is still only a small part of what we have to offer. We take great pride in giving you the unfair advantage. We are the gift that keeps on giving. We're happy to help, and we look forward to seeing you succeed.